The Karnataka Cabinet has approved the setting up of a Center of Excellence for Artificial Intelligence in Biotechnology at the Institute of Bioinformatics and Applied Biotechnology in Electronic City. The project will be implemented over 4 years with an investment of 20 crore rupees in collaboration with IBAB and the Center for Cellular and Molecular Platforms. IT/BT Minister Priyank Kharge said that Karnataka continues to prioritize investments in advanced technologies through its key departments, with the goal of strengthening the state's AI and innovation ecosystem. The Cabinet approved the transfer of a 51% stake in the Karnataka Technology and Innovation Museum Foundation to Unboxing Bengaluru Foundation. The proposed Technology and Innovation Museum will be developed at the NGEF campus in Bayapanahalli under a public-private partnership model, with a total project cost of 100 crore rupees. Of this, 49 crore rupees will be contributed by the state government and 51 crore rupees by the private partner.